C.
Tell us something that starts with M.
M. M starts with mango.
What else?
Lion.
Huh? What else?
Monkey.
That's right. And
Mommy.
Yeah.
Lamb.
Mm-hmm.
A movie.
Mm-hmm. What about B? Book. It starts with B.
No, don't you do that. Don't do that. Don't do it, Daddy. Don't do it, Daddy. Don't, Daddy.
Why
Don't.
not, Charlotte?
Don't.
Why not?
You have to put the camera. You have to put that part in there.
Why?
Because I like it in there.